Hi, everyone. This is a lecture on digital devices and computer types. It's a brief review of some of the main types we see out there today. These are enterprise computers, personal computers, and niche or specialized devices. Enterprise computers. Enterprise computers are the most powerful computers that exist. They are usually employed in businesses and government agencies. And these computers have the ability to service many simultaneous users and process data at very fast speeds, probably dozens, hundreds, maybe even 1,000 times faster than normal computers. Types of, in fact, actually probably more than 1,000, maybe even, 1,000 times faster. Types of big computers are supercomputers, mainframes, and servers. And here are some images of what these look like. It's kind of hard to tell what they look like because they're really usually in box, but they are very big and they're usually kind of almost like not mini computers, but various computers, microchips connected to each other. So it's not just one big thing, it's a number of small things, small processors, small circuits integrated to each other. Supercomputers are the fastest computers in the world. They tackle complex tasks, such as modeling weather systems, simulating nuclear explosions, testing breaking codes and cryptographic algorithms. Mainframes, large and expensive computers capable of simultaneously processing data for hundreds or thousands of users. So computers often in large organizations are called mainframes because they process data for a lot of people connected to them at the same time. Looks like a closet-sized cabinet used to provide centralized storage, processing, and management for large amounts of data. Servers serve data to computers in the network. So Google search results are provided by servers connected through the internet. Now, not all networks are internet, some are intranet, but these are about the size of a desk drawer and mounted in racks on multiple servers. So the servers are usually broken up in multiple, in racks, as we saw in the example before. So this is one of Google's set of servers, all these racks. So it's a computer here, computer here, computer here, and they're all kind of connected to each other, and they can process data depending on the software and algorithm that distributes the processing tasks across them. Personal computers. A personal computer is designed to meet the computing needs of an individual. The term personal computers is abbreviated as PC. Personal computers can be classified as desktop, portables, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. We'll talk a little bit about these, although I'm sure there's some general understanding of that. Although this one, the term personal computer or PC originated to refer to a Windows-based machine in contrast to Macintosh-based machine, two of the main operating systems in the world today, right? So these are operating systems. However, since people may install different operating systems in the same device, it's better to refer to personal computers or PCs as any digital computer device for individual regardless of the operating system. So the PC is kind of like the desktop itself or the laptop, and it may have a Mac operating system, OS operating system, or Windows operating system. But it's still a personal computer, but sometimes people just mean personal computers as the Windows one and not the Mac one. So it's kind of awkward, but now you can distinguish. Desktops fit on a desk and run on power from a wall outlet. Keyboard is typically separate from the monitor, popular in office and school. So this is kind of a desktop of the Mac. Other Windows-based PCs will have a unit that is, connected via cable to another screen. So there's an additional component, but what Mac did was put the whole computer inside the screen itself. So it's on the back here. Laptops, also referred to as notebook computers, small and lightweight with a clamshell design and keyboard at the base. Laptop, we're probably all aware of that. Tablets are newer and they're usually portable, touch screen. There's also slate tablets, which can be more easily connected with a keyboard. And the slate tablet is more like the Apple iPad, and the tablet, this is just a two-in-one tablet. They're both just tablets. Smartphones, mobile devices with features similar to a tablet computer, provides telecommunications capabilities over cell phone networks. So it is true that these are phones, the handheld devices, the smartphones, and because they, of course, have the capability for connecting via the phone network, specifically original telephone networks, whereas tablets or laptops don't have that capability. But besides that function that phones have, these are just all computers. There are also niche devices, or specialized device. I talked about the Raspberry Pi, which is the computer that can kind of fit in the palm of your hand. Although, of course, you still need to plug in the screens and keyboards, but it's a very small computer that's very portable, and it's kind of very interesting, actually. Portable media players are handheld devices that can store and play music. iPod Touch is a portable media player. A lot of these will have a microprocessor. They're essentially mini computers, but they have a specialized function. It's like a video game console. It's a computer, but just specialized for computing games. Of course, nowadays we have all kinds of other computing devices, niche devices, smartwatches. It's a computer essentially on your hand. Some fitness trackers. I don't really know what kind of technology the fitness trackers have, but they may have a microprocessor inside as well, with essentially integrated circuit, a little computer. And of course, even the appliances nowadays, they're connected. They have a little computer, they have a microchip, and they connect to the internet. Functions of the refrigerator, for example, can be modified based on data that it's receiving from the Wi-Fi. From another computer. Same thing with cars as well. These are called smart appliances, or also Internet of Things. You may hear IoT, Internet of Things. We'll talk about it in this class. That's it for this one, and I'll see you next time.